This video I want to share with you how to post content on Pinterest. Okay, so it's a known fact that Pinterest is now a very good source of traffic that can get you people or traffic or followers to your YouTube channel or to your website. Very easily you can get people attracted to your website when you post content on Pinterest. So for today's tutorial, I want to cover how to create a new Pinterest pin, and then you can how to post it on Pinterest, and people can click to actually go to your website or to go to your YouTube channel or to any directive that you give or the link that you give, as the case may be. So to create a new pin, all you need to do is to the first thing is to log into your Pinterest account, which I have just done, which is my Pinterest account, and I've posted a number of pins. As you can see, different pins, but Pinterest usually have a specified sizing as regards their pin, so you can try to follow the sizing accordingly. So to follow the sizing, there is the size definition, but what I usually do, I go to Canva and there is a default template as regards the sizing. So I just design my template from there. I just design my pins from there and then upload them, export them as PNG, and then upload them here again as pins, and then put in the description. So let's say we try to create a pin. Okay, so we'll create a new pin, and this is the dimension. Okay, it has to be recommendation, it has to be use high quality JPEG files, less than 200 megabyte. See guidelines for high quality pins. You can see the guidelines from here, so you can just click on this to drag and drop. Okay, so over here you have the title, and over here you have tell everyone what your pin is all about. So this is about the pin, what it is all about. You can add alt text also from here. Okay, you can add a destination link that anyone who click this pin is going to go to this destination. You can publish immediately, or you can publish at a later time. You can schedule it. Okay, so to get the pin of this very size, you can move to Canva. So let's say we are on Canva right now, and if you're on Canva, if you're new on Canva, you can just come to the search bar here and just type on Pinterest template. Okay, Pinterest pin usually is either 1000 by 1500 or 1080 by 1920. Also it takes as the pin for Pinterest, so you can see the defaults over here. So you can check by on 1000 by 1500. Okay, so just click on it and you can see the sample pins over here. So you are free to select from the available ones. You can sort by free. You can check freely available ones, and you can select any one. Okay, so let's say we select this one, or you can create your own blank pin and customize it to your liking. So let's say we select this one, and you can customize the content according to your liking. You can change the coloration, for example, from this color to this color, and maybe you can change this one, or you can change the background. Also you can change and use another different image. You can bring in different image. You can come to photos and you can check on any image. Maybe you can say education. You can search, and once you get anyone that you are familiar or you are comfortable with, you can just click, drag and drop it here. Okay, and it's going to replace it just like that. So you can customize it to your liking. So let's say here we just write epic mentorship. Okay, and you can see you can write other things as well. So you can, once you're done, you can play around. We can have some elements, some texts, different kind of text that you can add to this. You have different kind of elements that you can bring in. Accordingly, you can drag and drop and then make it, customize it to your liking, and make it as beautiful as you want. But the most important thing is to note that this is the default sizing accordingly. So once you're done, you can just come over here to this download icon. You just click on download, and you can download in PNG or in JPEG accordingly. So PNG is quite good, so you select PNG, or you have the option to go for other options. But for now, what we are asked to do is to download in either PNG or JPEG. Okay, so let's say we go with PNG, and you can just come over here and click on download, and it has downloaded it directly. This is going to be to your download icon. So you can come over to Pinterest and you can click to navigate to the download buttons, download file, and you just click on my download, and you can see it over here. You just select it and you open it, and you can see the preview, and it's quite good. If you have other options, you can check these 3 dots, you can delete this pin, and you can duplicate the pin as a whole. Okay, so down here you have the option to create a new board that you put that pin. There are different kind of boards that you can put. So if you don't have a board listed here, you can create a new board just by clicking on create a board, and you can create make it maybe trial. Okay, keep this board secret because I don't want to publish it, or you can keep it public depending on you. Okay, so you click on create, and you have now a board called trial that this pin is going to go on. So you put your title. So what is this? About Epic Mentorship. So this is the title, and then you tell everyone what this post is all about, what this pin is all about. So this is to introduce a new channel to you all called Epic Mentorship. Check it out for tips and tricks. So this is the description of this particular pin, for example. And then you can come over here and put the destination link or the landing page. Okay, so you can go to your YouTube channel, for example, if you want them to go to your YouTube channel after clicking this pin. So you can come to your channel, for example, my channel over here, and let's say I want them to drop at my video directly. So you just copy this link, you come back to Pinterest, and you paste this link over here. You just paste it. So you want to publish it now, or you want to publish it later. So let's say we publish immediately. Okay, you can create a second pin also if you want. By clicking on this, you can create a second pin if you want. But then at this point, I think we have given enough description. Use this the same text and URL for each image. You can enable this or you can disable this. And once you're done, you can click on publish, because maybe you want to publish it now. So once you click on publish, anyone that clicks on this pin is going to take you to this address. So let's try it and just test. So click on publish. Okay, so once you're done, you click on publish, and we'll just publish now. Okay, save your favorite ideas with just one click. So maybe later, we can say maybe later, and we want to see the pin that we just created just now. Okay, so we can see it over here. It has just been published. So you just try to click on it. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to the YouTube channel. Okay, from that place, it's going to bring you directly to this website. So basically, this is how to post on Pinterest. If you have any other sizing, you're free to try. I used to post also from my YouTube channel. Once I publish a video, I can publish it on Pinterest as well very easily with just one click. So ladies and gentlemen, feel free to try it. Pinterest is a good source of traffic that can enrich your website easily and can get you more viewers, more followers to your YouTube channel or to your website accordingly if you are blogging and all. So feel free to try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.